Every day, we deal with small problems in our cars. Slipping phones, bad smells, worn-out tires, and tiny issues that slowly turn into big headaches. But what if I told you? Some of the smartest drivers use simple hacks to fix all of this in seconds. Today, I'm going to show you 10 brilliant car hacks that almost no one knows. But once you learn them, you'll never drive the same way again. These are easy, cheap, and surprisingly powerful tricks that can make your car safer, cleaner, and way more comfortable. Make sure you stick till the end, because the last hack could actually save you from a serious accident. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Use a coin to check tire wear. Most drivers don't realize their tires are wearing out until it's too late. Here's a simple trick using just a coin. Take a coin and insert it into the tire tread. If most of the coin is visible, your tire is worn and needs replacement. If it's partially covered, you're still safe. This works because tire grooves are designed to channel water away, improving grip and preventing slipping. When the tread gets too shallow, your car loses traction, especially in rain. This increases stopping distance and accident risk. Doing this quick check once a month can save you from dangerous situations. It's fast, free, and incredibly effective. Many experienced drivers rely on this trick instead of guessing or waiting for warning signs. Hack number 2. Use a phone holder for navigation safety. Holding your phone while driving is not only dangerous but illegal in many places. A simple phone holder can completely change your driving experience. Mount it on your dashboard or air vent where it doesn't block your view. This keeps your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. It also makes using GPS much easier and safer. Instead of glancing down at your lap, directions stay right in your line of sight. This reduces distractions and improves reaction time. Many accidents happen due to small distractions, even just a few seconds. A phone holder eliminates that risk. It's a cheap upgrade that makes a huge difference in safety and comfort. Once you start using it, you'll never go back. Hack number 3. Keep a power bank in your car. A dead phone battery can turn into a big problem, especially during emergencies. Keeping a charged power bank in your car is a simple but powerful solution. Whether you're stuck in traffic, lost, or need to call for help, your phone stays alive. Choose a high-capacity power bank and recharge it regularly. It's especially useful during long trips or power outages. Many drivers forget how important communication is until their phone dies at the worst time. This small habit ensures you're always connected. It can also help passengers charge their devices, making travel more comfortable. Think of it as a backup plan you hope you never need, but will be glad to have. Hack number 4. Park facing east in winter. During cold mornings, frost on your windshield can waste a lot of time. A simple trick is to park your car facing east. When the sun rises, it naturally hits your windshield first, helping melt ice and frost faster. This reduces the need for scraping or waiting for the defroster. It's a small habit, but it saves time and effort daily during winter. Many drivers overlook how parking direction affects their morning routine. By using sunlight to your advantage, you make your car more comfortable before even starting it. This trick costs nothing but delivers consistent results. It's one of those smart habits that feels obvious once you start using it. Hack number 5. Use rubber bands for phone grip. If your phone keeps slipping on your dashboard, there's an easy fix. Wrap a rubber band around your phone. This creates friction and prevents it from sliding around while driving. It's especially useful if you don't have a phone holder. The rubber adds grip, keeping your phone stable even on turns or sudden stops. This reduces distractions because you won't need to keep adjusting it. It's a simple DIY trick using something you already have at home. While it may seem basic, it works surprisingly well. Many drivers use this as a temporary solution and end up sticking with it. Sometimes the simplest hacks are the most effective. Hack number 6. Use toothpaste for interior scratches. Small scratches on your car's interior plastic can make it look old and worn. A little toothpaste can help reduce their appearance. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and gently rub the scratched area in circular motions. The mild abrasives in toothpaste help smooth out the surface. Then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. This won't fix deep scratches, but it works well for light marks. It's a quick and affordable way to refresh your interior without expensive products. Many people are surprised by how effective this simple trick is. It's a great way to keep your car looking clean and well-maintained. Hack number 7. Keep a trash bin in your car. Car interiors get messy quickly, especially on long drives. Keeping a small trash bin or bag inside your car can make a big difference. It encourages you and your passengers to dispose of waste properly instead of leaving it around. This keeps your car clean and organized. You can use a small container, plastic bag, or even a dedicated car trash bin. Empty it regularly to avoid odors. A clean car not only looks better, but also feels more comfortable to drive. It reduces stress and makes every trip more enjoyable. This simple habit can completely change how your car feels daily. Hack number 8. Use socks on wipers in winter. During winter, wiper blades can freeze to the windshield overnight. This can damage the rubber when you try to use them. A simple trick is to cover them with old socks. Slide the socks over the blades before leaving your car. This prevents ice buildup and keeps the rubber protected. In the morning, remove the socks and your wipers will be ready to go. It's a quick and cheap solution that saves you from replacing damaged blades. Many drivers struggle with frozen wipers without knowing this easy fix. It's especially useful in extremely cold areas. Hack number 9. Use baking soda to remove odors. Bad smells inside your car can make driving uncomfortable. Baking soda is a simple and effective solution. Place a small open container or pouch of baking soda under your seat. It absorbs odors naturally instead of masking them. This works well for food smells, moisture, or smoke. Leave it overnight or for a few days for best results. It's safe, cheap, and widely available. Many professional cleaners use this method because it actually removes the smell source. Regular use keeps your car smelling fresh without chemical sprays. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your car's interior environment. Hack number 10. Turn steering wheel when parking on hills. Parking on a slope can be risky if not done correctly. A simple habit can prevent accidents. Always turn your steering wheel in the right direction. If you're facing downhill, turn the wheels toward the curb. If facing uphill, turn them away. This way, if your brakes fail, the car will roll into the curb instead of traffic. It's a small step that adds an extra layer of safety. Many drivers ignore this and rely only on the handbrake. But combining both methods is much safer. This technique is taught in driving schools, but often forgotten later. Using it consistently can prevent serious damage and accidents. Most people ignore these small tricks. But as you've seen, they can save you time, money, and even keep you safe on the road. Now, I want to hear from you. Which hack surprised you the most? And do you know any other hidden car tricks? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful car tips just like this.